I can still hear you. Oh, what's up, guys? It's roblox24 on your screen again. And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Now, again, the reason I'm laughing is because this friend of mine is on FaceTime and she is being very weird. They can hear you, kind of, because as your earbuds are in my ears and the mic is next to my ears, practically they can kind of hear you. Hello.
Hello.
You alright?
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go. I've got 346, and I'm saving up for. Let's see. Well, I want that, but I also want that, but I also want that. So I don't know what to save up for. I lost my friend. What should I save up for? I've got 346 cash. Yeah, I know, but I just started this game like 10 minutes ago. Outdoor area cost $400. No, outdoor area. Like, this is a restaurant. So, outdoor area is 400. Expanded plot is 500. Drive-through is 1,250. What should I save up for? I'll just save up for the expanded plot. Oh dear. That's better. Why have I just clicked that? Finish. What? No. Finish 2. There we go. Alright, let me collect this tip. Well, not tip, but like dollars. Hello. Okay, don't talk to me then. I have no idea why I just did that, but okay. I put my face full screen. Oh, let's move you guys over there because I don't really need to know their personal stuff. Where? Wow. That's a lot. Somebody only paid £20 for their meal. Right, I've got 407. I could buy the outdoor area, but I want the expanded plot. Now I'm gonna get the outdoor area, but I'm just saving up so I don't just have like 7 cash at the end. I don't have Tomodachi Life. I'm playing Roblox. Look. Wait, what do you have Roblox on, did you say? You can just press the home button and go play it, because it'll pause it. Okay. Oh, I should have closed the restaurant when I could. So are you or are you not excited for your brother's birthday? Oh, hell no. Wow. Right, this dude's not thing is quite good, but still, it's not good. Haha, guys, you now can't see me. No, you can. Sorry, guys, I didn't mean to do that. I'm selling raw Easters, did you say? Oysters? Why would I sell those? Oh wow, I actually am as well. Where are the crepes? Okay, there they are. I don't know whether to buy like a drink place or save up for expanding plot and like outdoor area. I fell over. Yay, that's nice. This has got to be the worker outfits. Change outfit. Tsunami chef. Oh my god. I have 9. Doom. Boom. Purchase. Yes. That. Is this like a bartender place? Like neon table, fancy square table. Is this a bar place? I think this would be for bars. Sci-fi table. Where are the bars? Where are the bars at? I might get like a free Wi-Fi sign. No, we don't have free Wi-Fi. You have to pay for our Wi-Fi. What are you saying? Yeah, there's never free Wi-Fi. I need more money. Yep, I am. Oh, my game. Can I jump out of this window? Oh, I wanted to jump out that window. Oh, yes. I need to close my restaurant for a minute. Closed. You dumb it. My restaurant is closed. Huh? My friend. Because they are. Okay. Clearly they don't want me to close my restaurant. That is fine. Look. I'm disturbing somebody's dinner. They don't even care. The video's gonna stop in 5 minutes. No, it has to be a 5-minute video. I mean 15-minute video. No, because it wouldn't, it broke for some reason. Yeah. Well, your dad's up, so. Oh, why do I keep doing a close-up on my face? Let's do that again. What? Let's do that again. Look. I can see your DS. Alright. Should I buy the expanded plot or the outdoor area? Yeah, you. Wait guys, I'm gonna end that video here and I'm gonna leave with you something to think about. What should I do? The expanded plot or the outdoor area? Goodbye.